trash. Thank you.
Ooh. I can't believe he's actually ripping it. Listen.
Ripping.
What is that?
It's a Playmobil.
What is it?
Buttons. Buttons.
Open it. Rip it open.
Buttons.
What is that? What is that?
What is it, Alice?
Thank you. What is that?
Trash.
Oh, thanks.
It keeps going. Trash.
Thanks. What is in the
Just put the
box?
trash right there, Lasso.
What's in the box? What's that?
What is it?
Is that a rocket?
Bucket, no.
Yeah, a rocket in there.
Guy-guy.
And a guy. That's in the box, buddy. Yeah,
I know.
in there. Look. Yeah, lots of trash. Here you go. What's in there?
I'm gonna help him. I'm trying. Can I help him now? Lasso, let me help you. Hey, guess what? There's this too.
Mm-hmm.
I think my granddad had this. Go guy, go guy.
Where's the rocket? The guy goes in the rocket.
Can I see the guy? Yes. Rocket.
He's gonna go to the moon.
That's the one. Down. Let's 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Say thank.
Open.
You gonna open your other present?
He's
Asher.
gonna have so much fun with that one.
Asher.
Open.
Asher.
Open.